Good morning and blessed week, where we are coming to you with the education segment, and this is to help the 844 learners to be able to answer questions well in exams. I'm an English literature teacher, and I don't want to just keep this knowledge to myself, yet when I put it out there, a parent can ensure that their children get some help from this kind of explanation. Remember, in the 4th week, we are doing an education segment. If this particular month we do music as a subject, another month we will do guiding and counseling, and another month we will do something regarding English. So 3 things all in one in the education segment, and it will keep alternating, sometimes repeating itself, but just know that the 4th week is always an education segment. Now, when an examiner asks you a question and says in the question, list, what are you supposed to do? List. When an examiner asks you to list, it means that you are supposed to note it down in a certain chronological order, okay? In a certain chronological order. And that is to mean it is a series of things that you're putting down depending on the question, because list in English may be something different and list in biology may also be something different. So when you see the word list, don't get into stories. Don't start explaining a lot of things. Just put the points that are required given the content of the question, and ensure that each of your point is on a line. Don't skip a line. It's just one line after the other. Do not write 2 items in one line. From the word list, it has to come down. You can use dots, you can use numbers, you can use bullets, you can use dashes, you can use Roman numerals, and you can also use digits, 1, 2, 3. You can also use the alphabet, all right? So don't get into stories. And that is how many students lose marks. And then the number of marks allocated besides the question determine how many items you are supposed to list. Okay, so if you have 6 marks, depending on the question, because some questions are a little deep, then that would mean maybe you list 3 items that are well noted down. But if it's a question that seems to be a little shallow in terms of content, then you'll need to put 6 items down as a form of listing. I hope that is going to help you in answering questions this year in your midterm exams, opener exams, and end of term exams, and ultimately Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education, which is KCSE. The Lord bless you. I hope that was helpful. Shalom.